Kamusta? May tanong ako. Do you need any validation from other people instead of just for yourself or sarili mo lang? Kailangan mo pa ng compliment or minsan kailangan mo pa ng magandang words galing sa kanila or dapat meron pa silang sabihin na, or you did well, or I'm proud of you. Uy, dito magaling ka dito ah. Uy, ginalingan mo naman. Kailangan mo pa ng ibang tao or ibang words galing ng ibang tao. So, yung parang lahat ng dapat mong gawin nakabase sa kanilang validation, sa kanilang appreciation, at sa kanilang mga sasabihin na maganda sa'yo. It's either good compliment, sudden compliments, or just even backhanded compliments. Do you need those? Kailangan mo yun? Kasi if yes, parehas tayo. Ako pala si Cyron. And I'm not Cyron. And this is the season 2. And episode 2, I guess. I've been having so many thoughts on creating a video podcast of something na magagamit ko din. Magagamit ko siya to remind myself sometimes that I did this or I thought of this. Na any point of my life, may ginawa ko para sa sarili ko. That this podcast is reminding myself that this is what I really meant para sa sarili ko. Kasi minsan wala akong sense or minsan ginagawa ko na lang siya kasi nandyan na yan eh. It means there's no choice. So this podcast is for everyone to know na we really need the validation sometimes. And it doesn't mean that we need the validation. It doesn't mean that you need it from other people. That's why I created this podcast. Because I wanted to listen words na kahit hindi siya galing sa ibang tao, galing naman siya sa akin. And I'm listening to it. And I think I wanted to share it with you. Ang hirap. Sobrang hirap ng kahit anong gawin mo naman, kahit ano talagang gawin mo, like for example, may sinabi ka lang or like you're talking in front of people and after that you need something or you need someone na mag-validate sa'yo na may impact ka, may ginawa kang impact sa tao. Like for example, tapos na ako magsalita sa mga tao or tapos na ako mag-teach. Like for example, tapos na ako sa internship ko, di ba? Ginusto ko talaga yung mga letters na binigay nila. Kasi doon na validate ko yung sarili ko na I did my job, I'm doing my job. Like yung mga letters na yun yung patunay na I was validated. Like really, totoo. Na na-validate ko yung sarili ko na, yun, nagawa ko yun. Galing na sa iba yun. Na-experience nila yung ganun dahil sa akin. Like for example, tapos na ako mag-internship, tapos na ako mag-teach. Naghahanap talaga ako. I was really finding the validation that I really needed. Especially if kailangan ko siya. Especially if lugmok na lugmok ako after the session, after the teaching session na isang internship class. Tapos, kailangan ko talaga yon yung validation. Hinahanap ko talaga. Hinahanap ko. Parang, ang hirap. Kasi kung wala kang mahanap, or wala kang marinig na, Sir Sai, yung lineson mo kanina, nakatatak sa akin. Or minsan, sa smile lang, sa gesture lang nila, na, goodbye, Sir Sai. Thank you for teaching us today. Parang ganun. Kahit ganun lang. Mabuti na lang ganun talaga yung greetings nila katapos ang class mo. I don't care if it is not genuine. At least they're saying that. At least they are saying those things. Kasi, na-validate ko yung sarili ko eh. Nag-teach ako. And that's it. Thank you for teaching us today. Maganda sa loob ko yun. Pero mas maganda talaga yung personal. Nasabihin na Sir Sai. Pero the best part is, some of my students really appreciated me. Really appreciated me. Like, grabe. Promise. Ang ganda sa feeling. Sobrang ganda niya sa feeling. Pero, alam niyo guys, ang ganda niya sa feeling pero hindi ko alam paano ko ito explain, pero ang ganda niya sa feeling pero not in a good way. Kasi meron siyang crippling effect. Or para siyang addiction para sa akin. That I really needed that always. Like after I've done something or like for example sa internship lang or sa pagtiteach na kahit every time I'm doing that, every after the session, gusto ko talagang makarinig na, Sir Sai, you've done well. Sir Sai, thank you for doing this. Or Sir Sai, your lesson was like this, good in teaching. Ang ganda sa feeling. Pero ang sakit kapag hindi mo na nag-expect ka na makukuha mo yun pero hindi mo pala makukuha. Alam mo yun? Alam mo yung feeling na yun? Ang sakit pero ang sarap. Hindi ko siya hindi ko pinagmamalaki yung ganong trait. Kasi sino pa naman yung yung gustong masanay sa mga pangyayaring malimit lang mangyari. If you are listening right now, remember, hindi lahat ng araw merong ganun. Hindi lahat ng araw i-validate ka ng mga tao around you. Always remember that they too needed the validation. Hindi lang ikaw. They too have the battle to fight. They needed words din. Hindi lang ikaw. Maybe for me, sinasabi ko ngayon, I'm being insensitive for myself or para sa ibang tao na nakikinig. Pero that's the truth. Lahat tayo, we have journeys to walk. And sometimes painful. Para sa iba. Kasi minsan, they are just made for that. Even though they are not made for that. May mga tao talaga na ginagatasan lang sila because they knew that those people will give them assurances, will give them validation, And ganun lang yung hanapin nila sa kanila. Na, ano, like for example, ako, lalapit lang ako sa isang kaibigan ko kasi alam kong i-validate ako niya. Ang pangit naman. They're just made for that. You think they just exist because they need to validate people? Nasa isip ko, they do have the battles that they need to fight. Hindi lang yung tungkulin nila para mag-comfort ng mga tao dyan. Hindi eh. And I need to realize that to myself then. Kasi hindi ganun eh. Always remember na ganun din sa sarili mo. You're not made just for comforting people, just for helping people, just for their convenience. Hindi. Okay? Always remember that you are made for something bigger. Maybe if you wanted to comfort people, or you're there to be there to for them or with them, there are points of our lives that we need to do that, or there are points of our lives that we need, or we are there for people, but not all the time. Except lang sa mga psychiatrists, psychologists, therapists. They have that kind of work. Pero kung particular lang tayo, maging ano lang tayo, we're just a person, like normal person, or we're not made um, like that. We're not made for about comforting people lang. And we need to understand that. Especially you, if you need validation always. Especially us. Tayo pala. Hindi eh. It's not like that. It's not really like that. So, I'm just here reminding you, me, reminding ourselves that we really do not need validations. Technically, di natin kailangan yan. From other people. Oh, diba? What we need is a validation from ourselves. Especially if we've done something good. If we've done something that we knew that it cause impact to other people, or special to ourselves. Congratulate ourselves, validate ourselves, appreciate ourselves. Tayo ang pinaka valid. Yung words natin sa sarili natin is very valid for ourselves. Kaya Sai, you've done well. You've talked this out. Nakapagsalita ka na naman. Kasi alam mo, sinabi mo sa sarili mo, Sai, na magsasalita ka lang if someone will keep on listening, or if someone will listen to you. Pero what you're doing now, you are talking in front of a camera and a microphone. Yan lang ginawa mo. Pero that is big for us. Kasi kung, wala kang ginagawa sa sarili mo, you're not doing this. So, kung ano man yung gusto mong gawin just to keep on doing the things that you love, start with yourself. Start it with yourself. No one will dictate you on what you love or what you wanted to do in this life. Gawin mo. And if you've done it, if you've done that, tapos na yan, nagawa mo na yan, then validate yourself. Yes, I did well. Ginawa ko ang lahat. I know that from day one. From day fucking one. I stepped. I crossed. I jumped. I hopped. I ran. Lahat. Validate yourself. Validate yourself. Walang ibang magva-validate sa sarili mo kundi ikaw lang. Appreciate it. Kailangan mo pa ng ibang tao magsabi sa'yo na you did well. Thank you. Sarili mo lang. Kung magsalita man yung iba tungkol sa ginawa mo, magsabi sila na maganda. Bonus na lang yun. Remind that to yourself. But ironically, yung sinasabi ko ngayon, I still doubt it for myself. Pero I keep on reminding it myself through talking here in this camera and this microphone below that I'm doing well. Because I've talked. Because if I haven't talked, I think I'm not doing something for myself. But I talked. I created this podcast. I even quit in doing music now. All of it. I deleted it. All my unreleased songs that I have recorded, I deleted it. Because I'm done. Because I really wanted to quit. Because no one is listening. Even this podcast. Pero I tell you, I'm back. I'm here. Because I know to myself that someone is listening. If not other people, I'm listening it to myself. Alam mo ba yung pinaka-realization ko? I was listening to my podcast from episode 1 to until now. The season 2, episode 1, the internship. I kept on listening to it. And that was my wake-up call. That I am worth listening. So kahit walang nakikinig sa akin, sa aking point of view lang, kasi I know I kept on telling myself na walang nakikinig, pero I know naman meron. Pero that's how my mind works. Alam pa kung bakit ginawa ko to, kasi na-realize ko that I am listening to myself. Someone is listening to me, and that is you, Sai. That is me. And I hope this podcast will help you. Because you've done well. You talked. Validate yourself. And I really did not need anyone to tell myself that I have to make a podcast again. This is my own wish. This is my own will lang. Even yung Alon, that was my choice now. Yung pag-release ko sa Alon, that was my choice. And I wanted that choice. Because that is what I want. Even though I quit in doing music. Maybe sunod, I will do it. But this time, let's make it little by little. And this is a progress I talked. And I hope magka-progress din kayo. Validate yourself.